Hello, beautiful soul. I'm Mahesha Rice, Reiki Master of Light, and I am so glad you are here. This is your space to release, reconnect, and rise into your truth. Today's meditation is a gentle journey into forgiving your past self, releasing the weight of old mistakes, and opening your heart to deeper self-compassion. My intention for you through this meditation is to help you soften the layers of judgment you may still carry and allow compassion to reach the deeper subconscious parts of you where true healing begins. Through the practice of Ho'oponopono, we are not just thinking about forgiveness, we are feeling it, embodying it, and allowing it to transform the way you hold your past. So take a moment now to get comfortable in a seated position. Allow your spine to be gently upright, your hands resting softly, palms facing upwards. And when you are ready, gently close your eyes. And take a deep breath in. And exhale slowly. Again, inhale deeply. And let it go. One more time, deep breath in. And a long, slow breath out. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, soft, steady, and effortless. Relax your shoulders, soften your jaw, release any tension around your eyes, and simply allow your whole body to begin to feel heavier, calmer, more at ease. I'm going to count down now from 10 to 1. And with each number, you allow yourself to drop deeper into relaxation. 10, softening now. 9, letting go. 8, sinking deeper. 7, your body relaxing. 6, your mind becoming quieter. 5, safe in this moment. 4, supported. 3, at ease. 2, deeply relaxed. 1, fully present and ready. Now, beautiful soul, gently bring your awareness to your heart space. And from this place, I invite you to call forward a version of your past self. This could be a younger version of you, a version of you who made a decision you now question, or a time in your life where you felt hurt, lost, or disconnected. Allow this version of you to appear in front of you. Notice how they look. how they feel, their facial expressions. And instead of judgment, just observe. Because this version of you was doing the best they could with what they knew at the time. Take a gentle breath in, and as you exhale, feel your heart begin to soften towards them. Now I'm going to guide you through a short prayer, and I invite you to repeat it after me. We'll say this together 3 times, allowing it to gently reach deeper each time. You may place your right hand over your heart. I'm sorry for the ways I've judged or been hard on myself in the past. Please forgive me for not always understanding what I needed back then. Thank you for carrying me through, even in the moments that felt heavy or confusing. I love you, and I choose to meet you now with compassion and kindness. I am sorry for the ways I've judged or been hard on myself in the past. Please forgive me for not always understanding what I needed back then. Thank you for carrying me through, even in the moments that felt heavy or confusing. I love you, and I choose to meet you now with compassion and kindness. I'm sorry for the ways I've judged or been hard on myself in the past. Please forgive me for not always understanding what I needed back then. Thank you for carrying me through, even in the moments that felt heavy or confusing. I love you, and I choose to meet you now with compassion and kindness. Take a deep breath in and release. Now, keeping this version of you in your awareness, we gently move into the Ho'oponopono phrases. Let these words flow like a soft rhythm, washing through your body, reaching your subconscious, dissolving any remaining heaviness. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take another deep breath in and release. And now just notice what is shifting within you. Perhaps something feels lighter or more open, or perhaps there is simply a quiet sense of presence. Whatever is there, allow it. Now, if it feels natural, imagine gently stepping closer to your past self. And when you are ready, embrace them. Let them feel your compassion, your understanding, your love. Let them feel your light. Because you are no longer that version of you. You have grown. You have learned. You have become more aware. And today, you chose compassion. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow that version of you to gently integrate back into your heart. Whole, accepted, and loved. Feel the peace that comes with that. Feel the lightness. Feel the space you have created within yourself. Stay here for a moment, breathing, being, and allowing. And when you are ready, bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one more deep breath in and gently exhale. And slowly, when you are ready, open your eyes. Welcome back, beautiful soul. If this meditation resonated with you, I invite you to come back to it whenever you feel the need. Each time you do, you gently release the weight of the past and deepen the compassion you hold for yourself. And if you are ready to go deeper into your healing journey, I would love to welcome you into Reiki Renewal Rising. This is my weekly healing sanctuary where we come together to regulate the nervous system, release emotional weight, and reconnect with ourselves in a safe, supportive space. You can join us live every Thursday at 11 a.m. UK time or receive the healing through the replay. And I always set the intention that whatever you receive is exactly what you need for your highest good. You'll find the link in the description below and tag above this video. Before we close, I also want to remind you that you can download my free ebook, A Guide to Overcoming Anxiety, Stress and Burnout, to support your healing journey even further. If you enjoy this meditation, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon, and share it with someone who might need it too. And leave me a comment, let me know how you found it. Until next time, beautiful soul, I'm sending you so much love and light.